Meet the world's first 8K projector with wireless connectivity. It's aptly called the Premier 8K, and it's the newest addition to Samsung's lifestyle TV lineup. We're some of the first people to see it in person at CES 2024. Let's go take a closer look. Samsung already had the Premier 4K, but this is an 8K projector that, I'll just cut to the chase, makes a pretty strong impression. The biggest difference between the previous Premier and this one is something Samsung calls the Wireless One Connect box that transmits content from all of your various inputs to the projector, freeing up your options for cable management a bit and keeping your setup looking clean. The Wireless One Connect box works as long as it's within 10 meters of the projector. That actually gives you a lot of room to work with, but you'll probably need a space with a lot of room for this because it projects up to 150 inches from just 1 foot away from the wall. For comparison, the 4K Premier maxed out at a 120-inch projection. It's meant to look great with an AI upscaling engine that takes 4K content and makes it 8K. It helps that it has 4000 lumens auto brightness that adjusts the picture to look more accurate based on ambient light conditions. Currently, we're kind of in an in-between dark and light. I would be interested to see how the triple laser light actually holds up with full daylight flooding into a room. I would say it looked kind of undersaturated here, especially compared to the other TVs we saw at Samsung's CES setup. Hopefully, it sounds a bit stronger. The projector speaker supports 100-watt output and 8.2.2 channel with Dolby Atmos. Samsung's sound on-screen technology is meant to lift the audio to feel as though it's coming from the screen and not the projector box where the speakers are housed. Or you could even just use it as a smart speaker if you like when you're not watching anything. Samsung isn't sharing a price for this beast of a projector quite yet, but we do know it's going to cost a pretty penny. For this premium tier, you get handy features such as auto keystone, autofocus, screen scale, and side lever height adjustment. It also has a full Tizen Smart TV interface, so you can stream without any inputs, but I have to imagine gaming on this thing would be pretty epic. I'm not sure that I have the space for the Premier 8K setup in my living room, but if you did, is this something that you would spring for? Be sure to let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button to see all of our CES 2024 coverage. I also recommend checking out what we're doing on social at Tom's Guide, and as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.